Chandan, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance. Boost startup ecosystem. Atal Innovation Mission. NITI Ayoga, a business. Sweden on behalf of India Sweden Healthcare Innovation Center signed a virtual statement of intent to boost the culture of innovation in India. This collaboration aims to promote the innovative potential of Indian entrepreneurs and to boost the dynamic startup ecosystem across India. India Sweden Healthcare Innovation Center is a collaboration of All India Institute of Medical Science and Business Sweden. Plan of cooperation. The government of Uttar Pradesh signed an agreement with the Israel's water resource minister for the water resource management in Bundelkhand region in the Uttar Pradesh. The plan of cooperation is initially signed for 2 years. With the interest of the project, this will be extended in the future. For the execution of Indo-Israel Bundelkhand water project and Pahuj Dam reservoir in Jhansi will be used for the integrated drip irrigation along with the service of the experts of Israel. Tri-Food project of Tri-Fed. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda virtually launched the tertiary processing centers of the Tri-Food project in Raigad, Maharashtra and Jagdalpur, Chhattisgarh. The Tri-Food project was carried by the MOTA in association with the Ministry of Food Processing Industry and implemented by the Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India. Tri-Food aims to enhance the income of the tribals through better utilization of and value addition to the minor forest produce collected by the tribal forest gatherers. 2 minor forest produce processing units will be set up in order to achieve the targets of the Tri-Food project. Digital education platform for skill development. IBM announced its collaboration with National Skill Development Corporation to offer a free digital education platform on emerging technologies and professional skill development and to equip the next generation with digital skills. IBM will manage an online course from OpenPTech platform and will offer it to users through eSkill India portal of NSCD. Eat Right India Handbook. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare launched FSSAI's Eat Right India Handbook, a referral guide for officials of different jurisdictions. It helps to adopt and scale up the Eat Right India initiatives in their jurisdictions during the online orientation workshop organized by Food Safety and Standards Authority of India as part of its Eat Right Challenge. Ek Sankalp Bujurgon Ke Naam. In the state of Madhya Pradesh, a unique campaign Ek Sankalp Bujurgon Ke Naam is being run by the Chhatapur police in the midst of pandemic. The campaign is being run specifically for the elderly people above the age of 60 years. Facilities like medicines, vegetables, milk, essential goods, telephone, TV recharge, online application are being provided to the house of the elderly people. Environment. Elephants. not commodities. World Animal Protection released the third edition of the report, Elephants, Not Commodities, which highlighted that over 200 elephants in India are kept in severely invasive conditions. The report comprises research spanning over a decade in elephant tourism and assesses the entertainment businesses across Thailand, India, Laos, Cambodia, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Malaysia. According to the report, India is home to second highest number of elephants which are used for the tourism in regions of Asia. World Animal Protection, formerly known as World Society for the Protection of Animals, is an international non-profit animal welfare organization. Green Deposit Program. HSBC India becomes first foreign bank in India to launch a green deposit program exclusively for corporate clients to finance green initiatives and eco-friendly projects. This will enable companies to support environmentally beneficial projects. It is available in rupees as term deposit, which generally attracts higher interests compared to savings deposits. International Relations. Fifth World Conference of Speakers of Parliament. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla attended the inaugural ceremony of the Fifth World Conference of Speakers of Parliament through virtual mode. The two-day conference is being organized jointly by the Inter-Parliamentary Union, Geneva and the Parliament of Austria, with the support of the United Nations.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.